morning, guys! Okay, good morning. Kakain tayo ng breakfast. Guys, OOTD muna tayo.
First floor.
Okay, guys, ayan. Okay, guys, ayan yung reception ito. Ito yung reception. Magla-lunch, mag-breakfast tayo. Ang daming tao. Okay, guys, titingnan natin yung kanilang breakfast. Ang daming ano. And porridge. Okay, hello. Together this one. And some sweets. And kung gusto mo ng cornflakes. Painit mo. Rice, porridge. Hi guys, my goodness. Guys, grabe ang sarap ng kanilang breakfast talaga. Ang tinapay nyo, napaka-soft. So good. Ang hindi ko lang gusto sa kanilang yung kanilang juice. Para siyang ano, artificial o hindi. Hindi masyadong masarap guys yung kanilang juice. Hindi siya fresh. Fresh from the start na. Hindi siya ano. Pero ang ano, ang breakfast nila talagang kung sa mga Asian talaga magugustuhan nila talaga. Pero pag mga foreign siguro, mga America o mga European o mga na hindi ata pwede sa kanila. Ang daming ulam. The pancit guys is so good. And the kimchi. So, saka yung kanilang mga ano, yung kanilang mga nasa maliliit na mga lagayan para makompact pati yung kanilang room, maliliit. Guys, grabe yung pansit, tsaka napaka-soft na kanilang bread. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Ah, there. Okay guys, bibili tayo ng card. There. Alright. Guys, andito tayo sa train station. Bibili tayo ng ticket pero hindi natin alam kung paano. Okay, mamaya guys, tingnan natin. Thank you. Hi guys. Isang oras namin hinanap to. Isang oras.
We only have one machine.
Oh my God, it's only one machine to serve this one. Guys, grabe. Ikot-ikot kami. Isa lang machine ang nag-work. Ito lang.
Now to the Shinkansen.
Alright.
Because the good thing is they said here that we cannot purchase this inside.
What number we have, B? That doesn't matter? Okay, okay. Grabe, guys. Pag dito ka talaga, kailangan alam mo talaga yung gagawin mo. Diyos ko, mabuti na lang kasama ko yung pamangkin ko, magaling siya sa mga ganyan. Ako guys, hindi talaga. Pagbili ng ticket, paghanap kung saan sasakay, kung ay nako. Pero wala, nag-enjoy lang. Okay guys, ngayon papunta tayo ng Kyoto. Tapos mamaya alas 4 ang ating train papunta namang tawag dito papuntang Tokyo. Okay guys, let's go.
We will soon make a great stop at Kyoto. Passengers going to the JR Kyoto, Biwako, Sagano Sanrin, Kosaka, Nara,
Okay guys, nasa Kyoto na tayo. Ito yung mga kasama natin. Here, be? Okay guys, nasa ano na tayo? Kyoto na tayo. Punta tayo dito sa itong lugar na to. Ayan. Okay guys. Guys, kapag maglalakad kayo dito sa Inari Station, guys, pasensya na, hindi ko alam. Sumama lang kasi ako. Yung mayroon kami, yung pamangkin ko. Pero kailangan mo talaga na magandang sapatos. Kasi talagang puro lakad-lakad. Yung aking sapatos ay hindi siya maano. Ayan guys. Oh. Dapat talaga sapatos na yung talagang bongga. Pero itong tsinelas ko naman, hindi naman siya masyadong masakit. Okay lang. Anhilangay, bili niyan mga street food. Okay. Which one? We try. Yeah. Okay, we try that one. Yes. Okay. Lemon.
Two lemon.
Thank you. Taste the lemon.
Tastes like
I like more the calamansi juice. And this.
Oh wait. Let's just
Oh my gosh.
Did I just use? You should tap it. I'll just do one.
Oh, here.
That's crazy. You try it.
Good. Sarap guys. Pancake na may cheese. Pancake na may cheese. No special. Okay. I love it. Okay guys, this is okay guys, taste this. At takoyaki. Oh.
Do you see the steam? Which one is ours?
God, guys, it's so warm. Oh.
Then we try that.
How is it? It's so. Ano be? Kailan check me. This is Donald Trump legit. Nice, tasteless. Guys, this is the Wagyu. All right. Good guys. Like nothing in your mouth. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, we're full. This is potato fries.
That was a big one.
Okay, guys. Nothing special.
We have this at home.
We have this in Philippines.
Can you take a picture?
Okay, guys. Which one is
Yeah, I'm gonna take a video.
Yes, please.
Here. Give me your phone.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Oh god. How do I eat this? Just
Get the strawberry.
oh my god.
Ate Vicky.
Taste what? Oh, it's cold.
Okay. Taste it, guys.
The way we
vlogger-
react.
Okay.
eat it together, all together too.
Mm. Oh my God, guys, so good.
Can I take a bite?
Moon river wider than enough. I'm walking through the stars someday. Ooh, dream maker, your heart.
Yeah, I'm gonna don't get the beef though. I'm gonna get the Japanese
Daan,
beef.
may an iba may labugan din waray. Look. Mascara. Ano ito? Ito pwede magsalita. Andito tayo. Sasakay na tayo papuntang Tokyo. Ang ating ano ay 16:30. 4:30 yung ating time. It's 2 hours from Kyoto to Tokyo. Gantay tayo guys ng ano. Bumili ako ng ano guys. So na hindi ko alam anong pangalan nitong tinapay. Tikman natin mamaya. Bumili ako ng dalawa. Tapos bumili din ako ng ganito. Hindi ko alam, parang chicken ata ito.
Curry one.
Or
Chicken curry.
chicken curry bread. Smells good. Tapos and then this famous melon sandwich. We try later guys at the train. Tapos ang binayaran natin ay 2,300 yen doon sa mga tinapay. And I don't know how much that in peso. Okay guys, the bullet train ngayon na. Grabe guys, ang bilis naman ng bullet train. Nakakaano sa tenga. Minutes na lang tayo guys. We are in Tokyo guys. We are na in Tokyo. Tokyo, Japan. 2 oras ang biyahe ng bullet train from Kyoto. From Kyoto to Tokyo. 2 hours. Yeah. Uy! Already? Oh, thank you. What is that?
This is ramen with egg.
Ramen with
Boiled
egg?
egg.
Aha, okay.
This is strawberry mochi.
Already.
Yeah.
Oh. And this is chicken feet. No, chicken skin. Say hi, Rosa. I Ayan, nagkita kami ni Rosa. Andito kami ngayon sa pagod na pagod kami dalawa. Dumating sila kahapon. Ay, makalawa. Dumating kami kahapon. Kaya ayan. Say hi si Yoyan. Hey Yoyan.
Kampay.
Kampay. My best friend guys, Yoyan. And of course, my handsome husband.
Kampay.
And of course, my beautiful daughter. Yana, okay. Tapos si Rosa, T. She's a Thai, oh, she's a Japanese. Yeah.